No weapon formed against me shall prosper. No.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna be cleaning this mess, and I actually purchased some stuff that I was using and I want to show you guys. So I purchased this vacuum. It's supposed to vacuum and also mop the floor because I have a wooden floor. And then I have this little green basil. Technically it's for like stain and stuff like that. If you got stain on your couch or on your furniture, you're able to use that. I already used it. Let me show you guys how it looks like. It's like but there's like the dirty water in there, but because you can see like my kitchen bar stool is pretty white, so I have to use those on there. But I'm just gonna give you guys like an overview of everything, and I'm gonna start to clean up. My goal is to clean up this entire living room, put everything together. I'm not using any extra light because my apartment have really good lighting, so I don't have to use extra light. But this is how everything look. I have my little rug here. I'm just giving you guys like an overview, and I have stuff here. So we're gonna clean this entire kitchen and take all of this off, take everything here, clean everything, because tomorrow I want to cook, and hopefully I can kind of record me cooking, but it's not guaranteed. It's kind of like in the air. But I want to clean up because tomorrow is Friday and I have a lot of schoolwork, so usually I like to clean there maybe like Thursday, because on the weekends I have a lot. I have few dirty dishes in my sink, I have stuff on the floor, and then I'm gonna clean up everything, and then I'm gonna show you guys like the finishing product. For the bathroom, I'm gonna try to clean up the bathroom later. And one of my biggest goals is for me to try to organize like my pantry. This is how it look like in here. I tried to organize it, but it's so tiny in here. So back here, let me see. Back here is all like my canned stuff for food, and then here I have like a 5-tier organizer going down. So basically in here is supposed to be like my storage room and stuff like that. So this is all like my trash area. I just want to find a place for this stuff, but I don't know what to put on, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I have this organizer here, but in here mostly it's all like body product and stuff like that, like hand soap. I can show you guys. It's all hand soap and extra stuff. So it's all like body wash. You see, this is too much going on in here. The only thing I'm proud of is this little area right here, but the top I have lights that I extra, but see the top is like too much. Maybe if you guys know how to organize my little storage room, please let me know, because I'm kind of struggling. And this other door here is just like my washer and dryer. Nothing much, but I'm also trying to look for like a little card I can slide here, and I'm able to like put stuff right here, because I need space for everything. And here is my bathroom. I'm not gonna go there because the bathroom, I'm gonna do a separate video of me cleaning up just the bathroom, and I'm also gonna do a separate video of me cleaning up my bedroom. So this is my bedroom, and this is the bathroom, and this is like the laundry room, And here is like the storage room that we literally just came from. But my goal today is to just clean up everything here in the living room. It's not really that big, so I'm gonna start to clean. And yeah, so first let's just go collect everything off the floor, especially like the couch. Gonna try to take everything off and put on the couch. I literally vacuumed the couch today, so it's super clean. I just gotta put the pillow back on there. So that's what we're gonna do, just pick up everything from the floor. Quick. So this is like the finishing product. I am done with cleaning up my entire living room except the mirror because I ran out of glass cleaner, like the mirror cleaner. So I'm gonna clean it up. It's not really that dirty, so. But some packages over here, some of them I have to ship them back, and then some of them is like Christmas decoration for the Christmas tree. And then here is everything out there, and I just left some candles, and yeah, everything is clean, nice and clean. I put like my couch cushion in here, so it's this sofa thing you see right here is for my couch for outside on my patio, and this black storage container, it usually go outside, but right now since it's like snowing and rainy, I just put it in here. but usually like around summertime I take them outside so the entire place will be clear. But for now it's just gonna stay here until winter is over, because I hate stuff that is gonna be wet. I don't know, I don't like wet things. But here I have my shoes area. When this is like the front door and this is like the shoes, and then here I just have my coffee, and then I got like my noodles and onions and potatoes. Here I just put a paper towel up here for now, but this is like the stove. I just have a stove cover right now, and yeah, all of this here I'm about to cook, but I will do separate video for that. But other than that, that's how everything look like. So it's not too bad. I had to mesh everything together. But let me show you guys how it look like at night. So this is how it look like at night. But yeah, this is how it look like at night with all the light on. So that's, oh, sorry. But this is how it look. The Christmas tree, the light, everything is on. It's not really dark yet, but that's the TV, fireplace, and yeah, it's my little cozy area. Love it. If you guys want like a detailed apartment tour, let me know. I'm still trying to add some finishing touches on there, but for now I think we have everything together. So just let me know. I will do a tour. Thank you so much. And yeah, this is my view at night. But I'm about to record my other video for me cooking, so if you guys would like to see that, let me know. But thank you so much for stopping by. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Please make sure you go to Google and put in lovethismilebeauty.com for you to be notified when I launch my product. I'm gonna be launching this, I think, Friday the 12th at 12 a.m. in the morning. Make sure you sign up for the launch notification on my website, which is lovethismilebeauty.com. And yeah, I love you. I will see you guys later. Bye.